Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bacon easy, full guide. Preheat oven to 400 degrees F and line a rimmed baking sheet with foil for easy cleanup. I'll guide you through 3 simple methods so you can pick the one that suits your kitchen, time, and crispiness preference. You'll learn how to avoid burning, trim excess fat, and store cooked bacon for quick meals without losing flavor or texture. Start with a cold skillet and lay bacon strips in a single layer so the fat renders slowly and evenly. Cook over medium-low heat, flipping every 2 to 3 minutes until edges brown and desired crispiness is reached. Use tongs to transfer cooked bacon to a paper towel-lined plate to drain excess grease. This method gives great control and texture, and it's perfect when you want quick slices for sandwiches or breakfasts. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tasty guides. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes waiting for bacon a joy because you can read in any light. It's lightweight and holds a huge library so ideas flow while you cook. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Arrange bacon on a foil-lined rimmed sheet, spaced slightly apart so air circulates and fat drains away. Bake at 400 degrees F for 12 to 18 minutes, checking at the low end for thin bacon and later for thick-cut slices. Transfer strips to a rack or paper towels to drain and crisp up. This hands-off method produces consistent results for batches and frees stovetop space for eggs or pancakes while you finish other breakfast tasks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.